welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham. I'm on the Gold Coast of the Investment Showcase, and I've just caught up with Andrew Taplin, who's CEO of Heavy Minerals. Andrew, welcome to the Roadhouse. It's good to see you.
Thanks, Wally.
All right, so Heavy Minerals. Now, you're a surprising sort of a company. You've got a handful of projects around the place. Of course, as always, you're the one who knows them better than me. So can you just give us a quick explanation about what's going on with Heavy Minerals?
Sure. Well, we've got a few projects, but the main focus is on our Port Gregory project. We just finished a scoping study. We're going to invest $110 million developing a Garnet mine just north of Geraldton. We've got a pathway to fund the majority of the capex of the project. We expect to be operational by 2026, and the standout is that the project will generate about $40 million of free cash after tax for 16 years.
All right, so the magic word there was Garnet. So everybody's probably saying to themselves, what's Garnet? And because that's what I'm asking too.
Yeah. So Garnet's not particularly well explained in the public domain, but in essence, Garnet is used for sandblasting. It's a superior blast media. It cleans up surfaces particularly well before protective coatings are put on and paints are applied. And the second primary use for it is in water jet cutting, and it cuts very precisely metals, but in particular steel.
Oh, right, very interesting. So that's one leg of the Heavy Minerals story. What else is there?
Well, just beside the Port Gregory project, we've also got the Red Hill project. That's also 90% Garnet, about 10% ilmenite, and we've got a third project over in Mozambique, and that's got great potential too.
All right, so of the three, obviously the Port Gregory is the most advanced.
Yep.
And so what's going to be happening there over the next few months?
So we're just about to launch the pre-feasibility study. That'll take 20 weeks and get us into January next year. Bankable feasibility study and FID by the back end of 2024.
All right, so busy times ahead, basically.
Absolutely.
All right, so no doubt there will be a lot of news flowing out.
Yep. So just last week on Monday, we announced that we've got a letter of support from Atridius. Atridius are the Dutch government sovereign wealth fund. Subject to their due diligence, they're prepared to support all of the Dutch content of the project. We've been using IHC Mining as our mining consultant, and their parent company is Royal IHC, which are based in the Netherlands. So we expect that they can bring about a significant amount of the mining content and also the process plant, which will be a significant chunk of the capex. So that's our pathway to funding. In that regard, we've also been talking to Export Finance Australia, who also can bring about some financial support for development of the project.
Well, I suppose with a product that's as niche as Garnet, you are going to attract a niche support base.
Yeah. So Garnet's not a traded commodity, and over the next 18 months we'll be securing letters of intent to place that product into the market. There's currently a market deficit that'll be widening to 250,000 tonnes by the time we're coming online with our 150, and by 2030 the market deficit is forecast to be 500,000 tonnes. So I don't anticipate any problems being able to place the product in the market.
It's nice to have a product that people are looking for and people are needing.
Absolutely.
All right. Oh, Andrew, thanks very much for popping into the Roadhouse. It's good to meet you, and look forward to seeing what happens with Heavy Minerals in the future.
Thanks, Wally. Good talking.